Here's some niche hobbies trivia. Subscribe. What activity involves designing miniature landscapes? Is it A, model railroading, B, miniature golf, C, birdwatching, or D, gardening? The correct answer is D, gardening. What craft involves creating art with paper folding? Is it A, origami, B, sculpture, C, quilting, or D, paper mache? The correct answer is A, origami. Which hobby features collecting and trading stamps? Is it A, stampede, B, numismatics, C, cartography, or D, philately? The correct answer is D, philately. What involves creating art through glass blowing? Is it A, pottery, B, painting, C, weaving, or D, glass blowing? The correct answer is D, glass blowing. In which pursuit do collectors seek rare vinyl records? Is it A, stamp collecting, B, coin trading, C, art investing, or D, record collecting? The correct answer is D, record collecting. What involves collecting and identifying fungi species? Is it A, botany, B, entomology, C, mycology, or D, zoology? The correct answer is C, mycology. Which hobby centers on creating and flying kites? Is it A, bungee jumping, B, rock climbing, C, kite flying, or D, painting? The correct answer is C, kite flying. What involves crafting items from precious and semi-precious stones? Is it A, gemology, B, beading, C, lapidary, or D, silversmithing? The correct answer is C, lapidary. Which hobby engages in capturing photographs of wildlife? Is it A, birdwatching, B, nature sketching, C, wildlife photography, or D, landscape painting? The correct answer is C, wildlife photography. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.